How are you? I'm David Liu, Director of IoT Solutions and Strategy Alliance from Advantech. In this 5 minutes video, I'm going to share with you about Advantech IoT Co-Creation, how this business model is going to create breakthrough with our partners. First of all, I'd like to congratulate every Advantech partners attending the successful IoT Summit last November in Suzhou, China. There are over 5,600 attendees joining this event. Many professional talks, sharing, trainings, and IoT demonstrations. In this great event, we truly turn IoT ideas to beliefs and actions. The vision of all attendees have seen that IoT co-creation is the most effective way to win the future together. In order to embrace the abundant IoT opportunities, Advantech comes out with a vision of 3 phases to transform the business. In the past 35 years, Advantech has been very successfully providing automation and embedded platforms, which have greatly contributed in the phase 1 business. Based upon the successful foundation, especially from the OT and Edge perspectives, Advantech continually comes out with IoT software and hardware integrated solution platforms. We call them solution-ready packages, which consolidate all Advantech hardware and software competitive advantage developed in the past 35 years. This phase 2 business is currently accelerating Advantech pace to ensure Advantech continued success in IoT era. By envisioning in phase 3 business scope, Advantech truly realized that co-creation with domain-focused system integrators is the only way to jump over the challenges of rapid technology and the business paradigm shift in order to win the IoT future together. In the reality of IoT implementation, we often run into challenges such as incompatible with the existing infrastructure, time-consuming from ideas to deployment, and challenging to repeat and scale. These challenges and uncertainties have been causing decision hesitation and project delay, which end up the business failure. But by working together, we can conquer the challenges. Imagine that you would like to transform your business. You can envision the result. However, all the risks and uncertainties made you hesitant to move the first step. This slide will show you how Advantech WISE-PaaS Edge Intelligence Platform and co-creation business model can help our partners to jump across the chasm and move forward to the success of IoT. First of all, in order to resolve the silos of IoT implementations, Advantech provides the abundant IoT building blocks in 3 key areas: computing platforms, connectivity, sensing and control based upon the in-depth domain experience in various vertical industries. Together with the wide software stack, seamlessly working with the Advantech IoT building blocks, this solid foundation provides the best compatibility with the enterprise existing infrastructure and the new implementations. On the other hand, WISE-PaaS Cloud Platform and the solution-ready packages pave the way to carry the solution developed by Advantech SI and ISP partners in WISE-PaaS Eco Network. Also, the alliance framework of domain-focused system integrators ensure that the Advantech partner can receive the best support and enjoy the business collaboration in this network. These 3 key elements, IoT Edge building blocks, WISE-PaaS cloud platforms, and the alliance framework, structure the IoT highway to help Advantech partners to accelerate and transform their business. Domain-focused system integrator (DFSI) is acting the strategic role in this business model in terms of business co-creation and technology co-creation. DFSI is able to carry on the solution-ready packages (SRP) with their unique value to serve enterprise in specific domains by completing the last mile in terms of providing IT/OT integration, on-site services, and so forth. This is another viewing angle to look at Advantech IoT solution to accelerate the business through co-creation. Intelligent edge building blocks and the WISE-PaaS cloud platforms are acting as the technology carrier to carry out Advantech developed solution-ready packages as well as SRP co-creation with the partners. Therefore, the end-to-end solution-ready packages serving different vertical industries can continually provide the DFSI the best value to win the business. The DFSI is also able to orchestrate the solution models and quickly apply them on different industries to maximize the ROI. Advantech is eager to co-create the IoT future with partners specialized in different domains and vertical markets, because we know together we can go far and grow big. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and working with you.